Good morning, students. Say good morning. Good morning. Now, today I am going to teach you GA. And once again, I am back with the same topic in the bathroom. In my previous video, we learned about the things we see in the bathroom and their uses. I will do a quick recap of the pictures that we saw previously. What I will do, children? I will do a quick recap of the pictures that we saw previously. See, children, what is this? Say, what is this? Towel. And what is this? We apply on our hair. What is this? Shampoo. What is this? Shampoo. What is this, children? What do we do in this? We wash our hands, face, we brush our teeth. So, what is this? Sink. And what is this, children? Toothpaste. This is a toothpaste. Now this is hair oil. What is this? Hair oil. This is bucket and mug. What is this? Bucket and mug. This is brush. What is this? Brush. And this is soap. What is this? Soap. This is comb. Every day we use this na? Comb. This is cupboard. What is this? Cupboard. This is nail cutter. What is this? Nail cutter. This is body lotion. What is this? Body lotion. Children, apart from this, there are extra things that we see in the bathroom. So, I am going to show you some pictures. Children, what is this? This is exhaust fan. What is this? Exhaust fan. And it is used to make go away bad smell from the bathroom. It is used to make go away bad smell from the bathroom. Now see, what is this, children? This is a mirror. What is this? This is a mirror. When we comb, trim, shave, we see ourselves in the mirror. When we comb, trim, shave, we see ourselves in the mirror. What is this? Geyser. Geyser is used for getting warm water when we take bath. Geyser is used for getting warm water when we take bath. Children, see this picture. What is the boy is doing in this picture? See? What he is doing? He is taking bath and he is washing his hair with the shampoo. What he is doing? He is washing his hair with the shampoo. And see what this boy is doing. He is using shower. What he is using? See, shower. He is using shower. This also we see in the bathroom. Shower. And see, this is hand shower. What is this? This is hand shower. And see, this is bathtub. This boy, what he is having in his hand? Soap. He is having soap in his hand, and he is taking bath in a bathtub. And see, this boy is taking bath with bucket and mug. With bucket and mug. See children, what this girl is doing? She is washing her hand in the sink. She is washing her hand in the sink. And after washing her hand, what she will do? She will wipe her hand in the towel. See, where is the towel? Towel is hanging on the hanger. Towel is hanging on the hanger. And what this boy is doing? He is brushing his teeth. He is brushing his teeth. Children, see, we will do some activity, okay? See, what is the picture? This is the picture of a boy. This is the picture of a girl. This is the picture of a girl. And this is the picture of a hand. This is the picture of a tongue and teeth. So student, and this side, this is the picture of nail cutter, picture of brush, toothpaste, tongue cleaner, tap, and the boy is washing his face, and bucket, towel, soap. This is comb, hairbrush, hair comb, hair oil, shampoo. So children, what we will do? We will match it, okay? We have to match what we use to clean ourselves, okay? See, this is nail cutter. So we use nail cutter to cut our nails. So what we will do? We will match it with the help of crayons. See, we will match it. See, nail cutter to cut nails. We use it to cut our nails now. And see, this here is tongue cleaner, brush and toothpaste. So what we'll do, we will match it with this, because we use it for our teeth. We use brush and toothpaste to clean our teeth, and tongue cleaner to clean our tongue. So what we'll do, we will match these pictures with this picture, teeth and tongue. See, and this one with tongue, and this one with teeth, this one with teeth, and this one with tongue. Children, see what this girl is doing. After bath, she is wiping her body with the towel. So we will match here the bucket, soap and towel. So we will match it with this. Okay. Now what this boy is, see, this boy is washing his face now. So we will match this boy with this picture. And now last one, what we'll do? We will see this. There is hair oil now, hair buzz. These things we use for hair, so we'll match it with our hair. So in this way we will do this activity. I hope you enjoyed this activity, children. Did you enjoyed it? Okay. Children, I hope you enjoyed this video. You learned 10 things that you see in the bathroom. Okay, thank you.